Hello children, welcome to today's session. I hope everyone completed your home fund. Everyone take your Max Studio Kanna. Take pencil along with you. Take Max Studio, page number 74. Okay, now we are going to see the activity 4.7. So, we are going to see the activity 4.7. Okay, circle the container that you would choose to measure the capacity of the following containers. Okay, now you want to circle the container. Okay, see they have given the 3 containers here. Okay, so to fill this container, okay, they have given 3 here. 3 containers they have given here. So out of these 3, which you will choose to fill this bucket? Okay, which will use to measure the capacity of this bucket that you want to circle. Okay, see once again I am telling, circle the container that you would choose to measure the capacity of the following containers. Okay, so we are going to measure the capacity of the following containers, and to measure this capacity of this bucket, what we are doing, out of these 3 containers, which we will select to fill this bucket that you want to circle. Okay, so this is a steel bucket they have given. Okay, so either you can choose a mug or this part. Now listen here Kana. So we want to fill this steel bucket. Okay, we want to fill this bucket with water. Okay, so to fill this bucket, we want to measure the capacity of this bucket. How we will find the capacity of this bucket? So out of these 3 containers, we can able to find the capacity of this bucket. Okay, if you are using this mug, 3 mugs, we can pour the water in this bucket. Okay, and if you are using bowl, means see it is very small, so it will take more time to fill this bucket. And this part, so if you are taking this part also, one part you can pour this water, it will be filled. Okay, so like that. Okay, so we want to find the capacity of this bucket. So out of these 3, which container you will choose to fill this bucket that you want to select. Okay, now I am selecting this mug. So you want to circle this. Okay, so circle the container they are asking. So you want to circle which one you are selecting. And see the second one, Kana, kids pool. Okay, this is a small kids pool. And to fill this, okay, out of these 3, which one will help you to fill this kids pool? Yes, part we can use for this pool. Yes. Okay, so here we can circle this part. Now see Kana, water bottle they have given. Okay, out of these 3, which one help us to fill this water bottle? Yes, superb. Either we can take a bowl, okay, or mug. Out of these 2, we can take anything to fill this water bottle. Okay, Kanna? Yes. So, here we can take a bowl. Okay. So like this you want to circle these containers. Out of these 3, which one we are selecting to fill this bucket, and out of these 3, which one we are selecting to fill this kids pool. Like that you want to circle. Okay, see here, underline these words Kanna. Small containers such as cups and glasses are often used to measure the capacity of bigger container. Okay, so to find the capacity of the bigger container, we use small containers such as cups and glasses. Okay, so cups and glasses only we often use to measure the capacity of bigger containers. Okay, yes. See, next we are going to see the look within activity 4.8. Do you think the amount of water used while bathing under shower is lesser than the bathing using a bucket? Kana, daily you will take bath, isn't it? Yes. Either you will use a bucket or you will use shower. So many of them will be using a bucket and many of them will be using a shower also. Okay, either you will use bucket or shower to take bath, isn't it? Yes. So what you want to think, the amount of water, if you're using a bucket, how much of amount of water we will be using? Yes, when it is compared to the bathing taking shower, so we will use only less amount of water only in the bucket we will use. Okay, so while taking bath, if you are using a bucket, we will use only less amount of water. Okay, yes, if you are taking bath under shower, the more water will get lost. So it will be wasting. We are wasting the water. Suppose if you are taking bath under shower, more water will get waste. Okay, so if you are using a bucket, we can save the water. So what you want to write here? How many buckets of water do you use to bath in a day? Okay, so per day, how many buckets of water you are using to take a bath? That you want to write here. Okay, here I am writing 1. Okay, so how many buckets you are taking to take a bath for a day, that you want to write here. Okay, do you understand? If you are using a bucket to take bath means only the less amount of water will get waste karna. But if you are taking bath under shower, okay, if you are taking bath under shower means more water will go waste. Okay, so that we can learn in this activity. Okay, now see here Kana, 1 bucket of water equal to dash plastic mugs. So 1 bucket of water, if you are taking bath means how many mugs we can take. Okay, so here I am writing 5. Okay, now while you are taking bath, you can count Kana. Okay, so here for 1 bucket of water, okay, how many mugs we will be having? Here I am writing 5. Okay, in your home you can check Kana. Okay, so if you're taking bath in 1 bucket of water, how many mugs are coming? That you can count and you can write. Okay, yes. Do you think it is important for us to save water Kana? Yes, definitely. Okay, so it is important for us to save water. We want to save water. We should not waste water. Okay, yes, nowadays we must save water. So you want to put the tick option for yes. Okay, so definitely we want to save water. Yes. Now see Kana, discuss with your parents. Okay, you want to discuss with your parents. Write 1 way you can follow to save water every day. So every day how you can save water. Okay, every day how you can save water, that you can discuss with your parents and you can write in this blank. Okay. So in home we will be using water by washing vessels and washing clothes and cleaning the houses. So for all the purpose we are using water only, isn't it? Yes. So in what way we can save water? Okay, that you want to discuss with your parents and you can write 1 way here. Okay Kana? Yes. Now see here, next we are going to see the activity 4.9. Okay, now listen Kana, listen carefully. It will be interesting and we will be enjoying doing this activity. Okay, yes. See, Ramesh, the tea seller. Okay, who is Ramesh Kana? The tea seller. Carries tea in different containers. So he is carrying tea. He is carrying tea in different containers. Okay, using the given guide, fill in the blanks. So Ramesh, the tea seller, he carries tea in different containers. Okay, he is using different containers to carry tea, and using the given guide, they have given some guide. fill in the blanks. So we want to fill that blanks. One has been done for you. So on example they have given and we want to fill the remaining thing. Now see here Kana, this is a container. Okay, this is a filter, tea filter container. Okay, yes, tea container, and this tea container can hold 8 flasks of tea. What is this Kana? What is this picture? Flask. Yes, everyone will be having in your home, isn't it? Yes, everyone saw this, no Kana? This is a flask. Yes, so you will be having in your home itself. And see, this is a filter. Okay, this you can see in the outside. Okay, so many of them will be sending tea through this container. Okay, so here also Ramesh, the tea seller, so he is carrying tea in this container, and this container can hold how many flasks of tea Kana? 8 flasks of tea. Okay, so if you pour 8 flasks of tea in this container will get fully, it will filled fully. Okay, so we are measuring this container using the flask. Using this flask, we are measuring this container. Okay, now see here Kana, one flask can hold how many tumbler? 15 tumbler. Okay, so one flask. Okay, so one flask can hold how many tumblers Kana? 15 tumblers of tea. It will hold one flask. So we are measuring the capacity of flask using 15 glasses of tea. Okay, yes, now see here, 2 glasses can fill one bowl. Okay, they have given picture. So 2 glasses can fill one bowl. So in this one bowl, 2 glasses of tea we can fill. Okay, this you want to listen carefully. And this one bowl can hold 2 glasses of tea. See, vice versa. 2 glasses of tea can fill one bowl, and one bowl, see, vice versa. One bowl can fill 2 glasses. That only they have given here. Okay, yes. Now see here, the capacity of bowl is dash glasses. So the capacity of bowl is how many glasses Kana? See, here also 2 glasses, and one bowl can hold how many glasses of tea? 2 glasses. So here they are asking dash glasses, and we know that here 2. So you want to write 2, and already they have given. Okay, do you understand? See, once again I am repeating. So Ramesh, the tea seller, he is carrying tea in different containers. So this is the container that the Ramesh carrying. Okay, now this container can hold 8 flasks of tea. Okay, so 8 flasks of tea this container hold. Now see here, 1 flask can hold how many glasses of tea Kana? 15 glasses. Okay, so if you are pouring 15 glasses of tea in this one flask, this flask will fill fully. Okay, so that is the capacity of this flask. Yes, now see here, 2 glasses can fill one bowl. So if you are pouring 2 glasses of tea in this bowl will get filled fully. Okay, yes, now one bowl can hold 2 glasses of tea. So this is the vice versa for these two. 2 glasses can fill one bowl, and one bowl can hold 2 glasses of tea. Okay, so these both the sentence represents the same thing. So see, they have asked the questions. The capacity of bowl is, so how we are measuring the capacity of bowl Kana? Dash glasses they have asked, and what is the answer? Yes, 2 glasses of tea. So 2 they have written. Okay, one example they have given. Yes. Now see the second question Kana, the capacity of flask. Now what they are asking? Capacity of flask. Yes, the capacity of a flask is dash tumbler. So how many glasses of tea we can able to pour inside this in this flask that you want to find. Come, see here, they have given the guide. See, one flask can hold, see here, one flask can hold how many glasses of tea, Kanna? 15 glasses of tea. Okay, so one flask can hold 15 glasses of tea. So now what is the answer? Yes, very good. 15 glasses. Superb. Okay, so what is the answer? The capacity of one flask is how many glasses of tea we can able to pour in this flask, Kanna? Yes, 15 glasses of tea. Yes, okay ma. Now third one. Now see the next one, Kanna. The capacity of this container is dash flasks. So how many flasks we can pour the tea in this container? Now see here, they have given the guide here. No, see this container can hold how many flasks of tea? Yes, 8 flasks of tea we can pour in this container. So you want to write here 8. That's all. Okay, so 8 flasks of tea we can pour in this container. So already they have given the guide here. So by seeing this, you want to take and write. Okay, yes. So the capacity of this bowl is 2 glasses. So here 2 glasses they have given. So we are writing 2 glasses, and the capacity of this flask can hold how many glasses of tea? See here. One flask can hold 15 glasses of tea. So you want to write the capacity of flask is 15 glasses. Okay. Now the third one is the capacity of this container can hold how many flasks of tea? Yes, very good. 8 flasks of tea. Yes, that you want to write number 8 in this dash. Okay. Now see the fourth one, Kanna. How many glasses of tea can Ramesh serve out of one flask? So read the question carefully. How many glasses of tea can Ramesh serve out of one flask? Now see here, how many glasses of tea can Ramesh serve out of one flask? Already we have seen that one flask contains how many glasses of tea, Kanna? Yes, 15 glasses. That only they are asking. So Ramesh want to serve this tea. Okay, so he want to serve one flask of tea. So that means one flask contains how many glasses? Yes, 15 glasses. Very good, super. So that you want to write here 15 in this dash. Okay, Kanna? Yes. Now take page number 76. Now see here, Kanna, we can express the capacity of one container. Underline the sentence. We can express the capacity of one container using the measurement of other small container. Okay, how we will measure the capacity of one container, Kanna? Using small containers. Okay, we will find the capacity. Okay, yes. Now it's the time for home fun. Take your companion book. Yes, everyone take your companion book, page number 27. Now see here, find the capacity of Ritu, Mitu and Gattu's jugs. Okay, so they have given the Ritu's jug, Mitu's jug and Gattu's jug. Now see here, capacity of Ritu's jug is dash glasses. So from this jug, they have poured juices in these glasses. Okay, so how many glasses of juice can hold this jug, Kanna? See how many glasses of juice are there? Yes, very good, super. 5 glasses. Count here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 glasses of juice can hold this jug. Okay. Yes. Now what is the answer? How many glasses? You want to write 5 in this dash. Okay. Like that you want to count Mitu's jug. So from Mitu's jug, how many glasses of juice are there? Yes, 2. Only 2 glasses of juice only is there. So how many glasses you want to write here? Yes, very good. 2. Okay. Yes. Now see the third one. C option. So here also they have poured the juices in the glasses. So how many glasses of juice are there? You want to count and write in this dash. Okay, yes. Now see here, two more questions they have asked. Whose jug can hold the most amount of juice? So you want to compare. Whose jug can hold the most amount of juice? See, out of these three, out of Ritus and Mitus and Gattus, whose jug can hold more juice? See here 5 glasses of juice are there. Here 2 glasses of juice are there. And here 7 glasses of juice are there. Okay, count. 7 glasses of juice are there. So whose jug can fill more juice, Kana? Yes, Gattus. Okay, so you want to write whose jug can hold the most amount of juice? Gattu. You want to write here. And whose jug can hold the least amount of juice, Kana? See here, least. For Ritu's jug, only 5 glasses of juice can hold. But Mitu's jug can hold only 2 glasses of juice. So, whose jug can hold the least amount of juice? Yes, very good. Mitu's jug. Okay, so Mitu's jug only can hold the least amount of juice. As that you want to write in dash. Write in this dash. Okay, so complete this home fund, Kana, and upload in the Chrysalis home app. Okay, yes. Okay, Kana, bye. We can see in the next session.